Hey, I'm T.O.
And I'm BP.
And this is
Nuclear Horse Piss!
Yay!
Here's the package, sir.
Classic roast. I wanted decaf. Leave. Now. Leave.
Okay.
Crap, I needed that. Okay, so a 12-year-old kid's mom thought it would be cool to have him videotape himself lighting stuff on fire inside their microwave. And the mom posted on Facebook to make money somehow.
And you know there's going to be some point where you'd think they'd burn down the house, which actually happened.
Yeah, and guess what? Inside that house was his mom, age 41, who died in the fire.
And he was charged with,
Arson.
yeah. I mean,
So, note to self, don't teach my kids how to start stuff on fire in the microwave, because I might die.
well, she died, so there's really no point in saying that, because dude's in jail.
I forgot. How's your baby?
Dude, I told you not to do that.
He doesn't have a baby. Classic roast.
You
wanted decaf. Get out of here.
The Godfather's down.
Ow!
Here's the package, sir.
Classic roast. I wanted decaf. Leave. If I needed that. Oh, I knew. Ow! Hold on, this will just take a minute. My feet's.
I peed a little.